Well, got my load delivered at the Budweiser. It went pretty smooth. Actually, it was a beer distributor, wasn't a Budweiser. Those are usually pretty quick, get you in and out. It's usually a no muss, no fuss kind of deal. Now I'm sitting here at the truck stop, just waiting to get my next load. I won't get hours back until 1700, 5 o'clock tonight, so he won't be doing anything with me before that. So I'm going to grab a few hours sleep and wait and see what he does with me. Okay, well, I got dispatched on a load. Picks up in Canton, Ohio tomorrow at 7 in the morning. It requires a trailer washout, so I'll probably need to leave out of here probably about 4 in the morning. There's a washout, Blue Beacon, about 2 miles from here. So I'll run over there, get the trailer washed out, give myself plenty of time to get over to the pickup on time. Now I'm just kind of killing some time. I want to go back to sleep. I slept about 4 or 5 hours just because I was fairly tired, but now I got to stay up. I don't, so I can sleep through the night. I think I'm going to watch that Reverent movie. I've heard that's pretty good. It's on a HBO Now app I have, so I think I'm going to watch that. I don't think there's going to be much going on vlog-wise. I think what I may do for today's vlog is, well, I've talked here a little bit, but I think the rest of it will probably just be kind of a montage of, what I've done this week. I'll probably just go through a lot of road footage, so you guys can kind of see the country. I may put a little music to it. Well, hope you guys enjoyed the montage of how this week's travels. Like I said, not much going on. I really didn't know what else to do. I didn't want to just talk for make a 2 or 3 minute video. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Should be back to a regular vlog tomorrow. You guys take care. I'm out.